ما نعرفش خويا، عندي امال، عندي امال، عندي امال خويا، نقلب عليها. شو وصلك؟ انا خديت انستغرام ديالها اصلا، قلت لي دري.
سلام.
السلام. ما تقوليش لي مغربيه،
شوية
شويه تحكي عربي.
شوية.
والله
No,
حلو.
just a bit, just a bit, just a bit. I'm not Moroccan. I'm Indonesian.
امم اوكي. انا
Yeah.
اعلم في العربيه.
Yeah, Masmud.
اسمي ايوب.
Ayub.
يس، وانتي؟
As always.
عندي
Ayub, Salah. What else?
السلام.
Yahya.
يحيى
Oh,
ايوب.
wow.
And
My name is
you?
Freddie.
What's your name?
Freddie.
Nice name. You
Yeah.
Muslim?
Like, huh?
You Muslim?
I'm Muslim, alhamdulillah. And yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Nice.
Yeah. Just not wearing hijab. That's it.
But your name? You don't say Muslim.
What do you mean? My name is came from the, like, Allahumma firli. Firli?
خصك تكون سميتك اسمك فاطمة، خديجة، اسم مسلم.
Ah, that's not my name. That's not my name.
مم.
That's not my name. Yeah. I got a friend from Morocco. Her name is Farah.
مم.
Yeah.
Which city?
Where you from?
غابة. You know غابة?
Which
The
part of Morocco?
capital.
Like
The capital
Casablanca,
of Morocco.
Fes, huh?
You know capital of Morocco?
What's some city in Morocco?
Rabat.
Oh, you're in Rabat. Yeah, in the
Yes.
capital.
Yes.
But
I'm
yeah.
from in Rabat.
Our president is on your city, in the street. Like that, I don't know, like the street of the Sukarno, if you know. I don't know. You don't know.
I know Marrakesh, Casa, Tanger,
Yeah, I know
Tétouan,
Marrakech, I know
Agadir.
Casablanca, I know Fes, I know Kenitra, what else? Fes, I know Tétouan, I know Tanger.
Agadir is the best.
Yeah.
Agadir and Rabat and Casa is the best. And Marrakesh.
There you go. There you
The
go.
best.
There you go. Yeah. I even wait, I don't know if you know this. Wait. I know some like a Moroccan who is famous. Bitrik, that's what he say.
Betrayed.
Yeah, I know him.
I know him. I know.
I was met him before in here. That's why I know him.
Betrayed now in UZA.
Yeah, I know. He's in Casablanca, right?
He's influencer.
Yeah.
ما يمساش. طلع التليفون.